Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to today's video. This is part of the holiday meal series with Jikokoa, and today I'm going to show you how to make dry fried chicken, perfect for a holiday feast. So for the ingredients, I have the already cooked chicken. So the chicken I actually cooked it earlier, and you can do this even in advance. And I have spring onions. Spring onions is optional. You can use coriander. You can even use something like rosemary to still get some nice flavor, and some green, like in this case, this is for garnish. So the first thing you want to do when you're cooking is first fry the chicken. So oil is hot. Make sure that you have added charcoal. Open the window where you let in the air so that it becomes hot. So now it's browned. It hasn't browned as much as I wanted it to, but at least the onions, I actually added the onions. And you can see it's browning. Some pieces are a little bit brown, which is good. And then now I'm going to add the peppers, also the tomatoes, and then stir. I will cover it and then wait for it to cook until the tomatoes are soft. It's ready. So dry fry is basically without much liquid. If you want slightly more liquid, you can always add more. Again, use the liquid stock that you cook the chicken with. To finalize is add spring onions or coriander, or just leave it like that. So now I'm going to serve it. It smells really nice. Jikokoa is actually very effective. Now it's on low heat when you close the door. But again, remember the most important thing whenever you're cooking this dish, have it on high heat. Basically add more charcoal and open the door when cooking, and then you get these results. I hope you've learned something new. This is part of the holiday meal series that I'm doing with Jikokoa, and I hope you enjoy yours like I know I will enjoy mine. Until next time, goodbye.